In front of me is Honor 200 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. To add a video file, just click on it or tap on Folders and tap on it here. To add an audio file though, you need to tap on plus icon instead, select Files, and click on Audio at the top. You can also look for your file in one of those apps or by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner in one of those sources. Either way, hold your file and tap on Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!